I learned that as a conductor and leader, it is so important to be tough on results and tender on people. For a long time, I could only do one or the other, either focusing on my high standards and following the rules to be fair, or I stopped enforcing my expectations to give everyone grace for everything. I couldn't figure out a way to do both. Then I realized that the solution was not to sacrifice my standards or my commitment to fairness, nor was it ignoring the real feelings and needs of my people's extenuating circumstances. It's a both and. I learned that people fundamentally want to feel heard and understood, even if the ultimate decision didn't go their way. I also learned to say, I understand, I hear you, I see you, while acknowledging that their performance was not up to par. I learned how to sit in another person's disappointment, frustration, and anger, to offer tender support and advice without lowering my standards. And I learned to communicate empathy, especially when I can't change the circumstances. So being tough on results and tender on people is truly an art. I wonder, what does this mean for you as a leader? And how have you experienced it as a musician? My name is Tiffany Chang, and this is Conductor as CEO, where I'm curious about ideas that help us become better arts leaders. If these ideas resonate with you, please consider subscribing in the link below to receive an email with each new blog post sent directly to your inbox. Thank you and have a great day.